in the airport. It's very early. Today we are what? We're catching a flight from Siargao to El Nido. We're catching a flight today from Siargao to Cebu to Coron, and then in the morning after we're catching a ferry to El Nido.
Good job.
That's right. Alright guys, what's going on? We're in the airport today. Hello my friends. We're in the airport today and we're going from
Maybe I don't feel it lately, maybe I'm a bore. I need a lot, but I've been lazy, know me more.
We love free food.
Weaker, I'm thinning out my crown. I feel a lot, no, I'm not crazy, I'll shut you down.
Alright, we're at the airport and we are flying to Coron, and then we're getting a boat, a ferry from Coron to El Nido.
It is too frustrating, I see it's so absurd. I'm done contemplating, waiting to waste my words. Get all of emotion to swing back and forth. I'm done with all this thinking, and now I know my worth.
Alright, we've just arrived in Coron. We'll see you on the boat. Alrighty, it is the next morning and we are on the boat.
Things needed to let go of. Before I go, taking in my stride. If you show me yours, then maybe I'll show you mine.
We just arrived. Alright, good morning everyone. We've actually been on the island for a couple of days now, but I haven't really filmed much because honestly we've just basically been sitting on a beach or like watching the sunset, nothing too interesting. But today we are going on an island tour, like a boat tour, and we're going to a bunch of different islands, some lagoons and stuff like that. So I thought I would film today.
I swear there ain't nothing better. We're up and we're out in the perfect weather. I just wanna run away with you. I just wanna run away with you. Don't you wanna know that the time's changing? Don't you wanna know that the ride is yours? Don't you wanna roll away? Don't you wanna roll? It's on you to decide if something changes. You say bye
Alright, it's lunchtime now.
when you're stuck in chains. Well, nothing changes. I just wanna run away with you. I said now I just wanna run away with you. Don't you wanna know that the time's changing?
Wow, look how blue this water is.
You tell me stupid lies. Oh, you think you can escape now and got it all just figured
Alrighty.
Welcome to Deloise Food Reviews. Nice and quiet here.
Alright, hello and welcome to this portion of the video where we taste test a bunch of Filipino snacks. We literally just went to the supermarket and we like bought a bunch of random shit and now we're gonna try it all.
We got like 6 items for a total of $5 Australian.
Yeah.
Starting with this one because I'm hungry. Corn tubes.
Alright, let's try it. We are starving. We haven't had breakfast yet.
Bit of a difficulty. Alright, this is what they look like. Like tubes of corn.
Wait. Wait for me.
Oh, cornflakey, yes.
Yum.
Which makes sense. They're like barbecue cornflakes in a bit crunchier.
Oh yeah, like you mean like the cereal?
Yeah, cornflakes.
Wait, can I read it? Ooh, this is actually a product of the Philippines. Good to know.
Real Filipino food.
Yeah, it's not like imported from America or something.
These are great. All right, out of 5 or 10?
Out of 10.
I give them an 8. They're good.
You know what? It's kind of like, you know how you have like white rice and brown rice? It's like brown rice. So it tastes, I mean, it's not brown rice, it's corn. But it tastes like slightly healthy. You know what I mean? All right, I would give these a 7.
Next up, 3D milk biscuits.
Now, let's check. Oh, it is the product of the Philippines. I have seen these before. You know Panda, the brand?
Yeah, no.
I swear this is a rip-off version of another brand.
Can you open it? Oh.
Oh, instantly smell that.
Very
it is so sweet. Okay, yeah.
Oh, wow, what the heck?
Yeah, I've seen these before.
Whoa, that is not what I expected at all. That's so weird.
Hey, they've got a little panda on them.
All right, I'm hungry. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh. What the heck?
They're good. However,
Are they filled with stuff or no?
it's meant to be filled with things. It's mostly the biscuit, but the flavor's there. I was expecting more stuff in the middle, but they're still good.
That is stuff.
Yeah, but like more. Look at the photo.
All right, next up, Cal cheese. These are extremely cheap. They were like 30 cents.
It's like a cheese wafer biscuit.
Wafer. What does that mean? Nobody knows.
I think it's going to be sweet.
Oh, God.
Even though cheese is meant to be savory, it's going to be sweet. Thank you.
One eternity later.
It's a subtle cheese flavor.
I was about to say I can't taste the cheese.
It's very subtle.
It honestly just tastes like a wafer. I give that
But with American fake cheese,
like a 2 out of 10.
I actually like it.
It just tastes like nothing. I'm not a fan of wafer that much, so I'm a bit biased.
No, I forgot to rate the other one.
Oh yeah.
This one I only rate like 3 out of 10. It's
7.
Too sweet. It's too sweet.
Okay, maybe 6 because I wanted more filling.
Yeah.
And this, what do you rate this?
And the cow cheese, maybe a 6.
I rated a 3. This I'm excited for.
Choco marshmallows. Okay. Oh, look at that. I really like the packaging.
Me too.
Getting brownie points for the packaging right now. Opening it up.
What does it look like?
It looks good.
Ooh,
It's like it's squishy, like marshmallow.
yum.
Are you ready?
Ooh.
No,
It's
chocolate
good.
is bad. There's a slight.
Mmm.
Where did it go?
Sorry.
The heck?
The chocolate is like that cheapish chocolate.
Yeah, it's kind of shitty. But the marshmallow itself
Marshmallow's
is good.
good. The biscuit's good.
Yeah.
Although we have these in Australia, and they usually have jam in them.
The chocolate's really weighing it down for me. I give that like a 5. The marshmallow elevates it, but the chocolate puts it right back down.
And the lack of jam is a shame. But that's
Yeah.
alright. I would give it like a 6. Alright,
Yeah, the
next one.
chocolate's like licoricey or something. I don't know. It's like, yeah. Chocolate eclairs.
Cheers. Mm-hmm.
Not a real strong flavor,
I love it. I love caramel. And it just tastes like caramel.
but it's like fantails if they were less tasty.
I like it. I'll tell you what would be
The
good
texture's good.
if you put like 6 in your mouth at the same time.
I'm still not getting a lot of flavor. You know, fantails, you eat them, they're super caramelly and super chocolatey
love
and
it.
good.
I can't taste the chocolate in the middle, so that's fine because I love caramel.
Yeah, they're just not super like tasteful. I don't
I
know.
like them. I'm going to give them an 8.
I give them a 6. Good texture, but like I can't taste them that much.
Oh my God. All right, while you have another one, this is... Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Would you like some chocolates?
We just bought a bunch of Filipino snacks and now we're trying them all.
The lunch?
All right, we're going to order for lunch. Hang on. What's this one here? Pork intestines.
Spicy?
Oh, organs. Yeah.
I might get
Kidney, liver, intestines.
I might get this one.
Yeah, me too. I'll have one of them as well. Thank you so much. Oh, literally, what, last one? This is the last one. Curly tops.
Let's see what they look like. They're called curly tops, but the top is flat. All right. Cheers. Oh,
It's just chocolate.
it's just chocolate.
Oh. Exactly what I suspected. It's a really
Yeah,
bad
it's bad
chocolate.
chocolate. Really bad.
Oh my God, I actually can't swallow it. I don't want to be dramatic, but it's like grainy.
Yeah. Why is that so awful?
We were going to get the big packet of this, and I'm so glad we didn't. I literally give this 0.5 out of 10.
It's not chocolate. It's something else. Oh yeah, 1, 2.
You know, in Australia, on Easter, when you get the Easter eggs, and
Yeah,
then there's the one
the
brand,
cheap.
it's like
shitty
got a
brand.
flat top on it. That's what it tastes like. But they're like waxy. This is like grainy.
Yeah, true. That's exactly very accurate. My favorite, honestly, was these by
I
far.
think that's because you like savory things. Oh,
Thank
thank you.
Are you sure you don't want some chocolates?
You want a chocolate? No?
It's not good for your appetite.
Yeah.
It doesn't taste good either.
We haven't had breakfast yet, so this was our breakfast.
Ah, okay.
That's not good. All right. In conclusion, these are my favorite. Then these. Then these. Then those. Then these.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Oh, they look good. Alrighty, now we're going to eat some real Filipino food, not just snacks. Save some for me. All right. See ya. Beautiful. having short hair. Or styled hair anyway. It's like nice haircut.
Alright, but with our fresh haircut.
So short.